boat, baby. Rock the boat. I don't tip the boat over. Rock the boat. I don't rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Ever since our voyage of love began.
Hi, I'm Steve Troy, the CEO and founder of Aerofund Financial. Welcome to the Business History Minute. You might not have noticed Malcom McLean's name rolling down the highway, but I'm sure you have noticed his revolutionary idea. You see, Malcom McLean is the man who invented the shipping container and the ships that carry them. Before Malcom McLean, the shipping and unloading of cargo had not changed since the time of the Phoenicians. Malcolm's idea came about when he noticed Army surplus trucks being loaded on ships during World War II. He thought, why not just load the storage area of a truck on board a ship and transfer it to a truck frame on the other end? To launch his container idea, McLean purchased a surplus World War II tanker from the government and converted it to carry his new design boxes. On April 26, 1956, with 100 invited dignitaries on hand, the maiden voyage of the SS Ideal X, the first container ship, left Newark, stacked with cargo. Not everyone was happy with McLean's new enterprise. When the head of the Longshoremen's Association was asked what he thought of the new container ships, his only response was, "I'd like to sink the son of a bitch." You see, Malcolm's new shipping containers overnight lowered shipping costs from $5.86 a ton to just under 16 cents. The need for longshoremen unloading individual cargo was no longer necessary. McLean may have lowered shipping costs for his customers, but his equipment costs were escalating quickly. Just like the Wright brothers needed airports, McLean needed ships, containers, trucks, and cranes. To solve his cash problems, McLean decided to sell Sealand Industries to one of his early customers. In 1969, R.J. Reynolds, the maker of Marlboro cigarettes, paid McLean $560 million for the company, making him a multimillionaire. Profits for the new owners were intermittent at best. The need for huge capital investment, competition, high oil prices made for inconsistent profits. As for what finally happened to Malcom McLean, listed on the Forbes 400 in 1982 with a net worth of $400 million, he was bankrupt, owing debts of $1.3 billion by 1987 while trying to revolutionize another industry. If you have big ideas or even ones more modest, look to Aerofund Financial to get down the road or across the ocean. Take a minute and give us a call.